Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra reviews passing out parade of 51st batch basic course trainees at Nepal. Center to open forensic university in every state, says Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra. Meghalaya Governor Fagu Chauhan visits Nartyang, pays visit to Garden of Monoliths. And Defence Ministry signs 3 contracts worth about 5,400 crore rupees to bolster defence capabilities. The news in detail. The Dikshant Parade of 51st Batch Basic Course Trainees was held today at the North Eastern Police Academy, Umyam, in which 189 trainees completed the training. Here is a report.
The 51st batch basic course of the 189 trainees, comprising of 25 Deputy Superintendent of Police, 164 sub-inspectors, and out of these, 12 were lady officers. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Shri Ajay Kumar Mishra attended the Dikshan Parade of 51st Batch Basic Course Trainees held today. Mishra, during his address, congratulated the 51st Batch of Nepal and wished them a bright future ahead.
आपको इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग दी गई है कि आपको निजी भावनाओं, निजी अपेक्षाओं पर नियंत्रण रख करके हम मानव का सहयोग कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम मानवीय संवेदनाओं का सम्मान कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के जो संविधान प्रदत्त अधिकार है उनकी सुरक्षा कैसे कर सकते हैं। ऐसी तरह से हम तैयार होंगे और धैर्य से अपने कर्तव्य का पालन करेंगे, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास और भरोसा आपके ऊपर है।
The trainees were also given specialized input on disaster management, first aid and motor vehicle driving. A short module on jungle camp was also organized where they carried out cordoned and search operations, ambush and counter-ambush, raid, seizures, etc.
I'm very much happy. It's 39 weeks of training for us at PRO, and we came here last year in April and we have finally completed our training, so I'm very much happy.
I feel very good, and whatever I have learned from here, it will be very useful.
First of all, it's a mixed feeling because after spending almost 1 year here at Nepal, at first I used to think, when will I get out of this place? I just want to get out of this place, but now when the time has really come, I'm really sad to leave Nepal. I'll really miss, though the training was very hard, especially the physical activities were very hard.
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है इस चीज़ के लिए। बेटा ने मेहनत किया है, काफ़ी मेहनत किया है, और यहाँ इस तरह का इंस्टीट्यूशन में ट्रेनिंग पाना बहुत कम लोगों को किस्मत का बात होता है।
Essential skills, knowledge and required aptitude were imparted to them to deliver their best once they joined active service. They were also encouraged to participate in extracurricular activities through various clubs. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Speaking to reporters after the Dikshan Parade held at Nepal, the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, Ajay Kumar Mishra, stressed over the need of a forensic department in the state. He further said that the government will open a forensic university in every state and it is trying hard to bring down cases of human trafficking in the region.
होम मिनिस्ट्री उसमें सारे स्टेट से भी बात कर रही है और हम लोग फॉरेंसिक यूनिवर्सिटी के कैंपस भी हर प्रदेश में भी खोल रहे हैं और सारे प्रदेश बहुत अच्छा सहयोग भी कर रहे हैं। सारे प्रदेशों ने काफ़ी अच्छा सहयोग किया है और काफ़ी चीज़ें हम लोग करने लगे हैं। वो ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग की टीमें लगभग सभी जिलों में बन गई हैं, प्रदेशों को ने बनाया है, और जो हमारी फॉरेंसिक लैब है उनका भी काम हम बड़े पैमाने पर कर रहे हैं।
The governor of Meghalaya, Fagu Chauhan, visited Nartyang's famed Durga temple today. The governor was welcomed by the Deputy Commissioner, West Janta Hills District, B.S. Solia, and Superintendent of Police, West Janta Hills District, Bikram D. Marak, and other representatives of the District Administration Police, representatives of the temple and the local darbar, and residents. After visiting the temple, Fagu Chauhan paid visit to the Garden of Monoliths in Nartiang. The Defence Ministry has signed 3 contracts at a total cost of nearly 5,400 crore rupees with domestic producers to bolster the defence capabilities of the country. The first contract has been signed with Bharat Electronics Limited (BEL) and pertains to the procurement of automated air defence control and reporting system project Akash Tir worth 1,982 crore rupees for the Indian Army. The second contract with BEL relates to the acquisition of Sarang Electronic Support Measure System at an overall cost of 412 crore rupees for the Indian Navy. The third contract with New Space India Limited pertains to the procurement of an advanced communication satellite GSAT-7B for the Indian Army at an overall cost of 2,963 crore rupees. The Jowai police produced the 3 accused in the murder case of Pinkret Surong yesterday at the District and Session Court, in which the court granted the police for 5 days police custody. It may be noted that Jimmy Kindat, who hails from Murab, was arrested on March 28, while the other 2 accused, Meban Talang, brother of late I Love You Talang, and Sambon Dakhar from Minsngat, were arrested on the 21st of this month. The 2 suspects murdered Pinkre for his vehicle, and after killing him, they sold his vehicle, according to the police. The country has registered over 3,000 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The Union Health Ministry said over 1,300 people have recovered from COVID during the same period, and there are over 13,000 active COVID cases in the country. Recovery rate currently stands at 98.78%. It said over 15,700 vaccine doses of COVID were administered during the last 24 hours. Over 220 crore 65 lakh vaccine doses were administered across the country so far. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 22 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 11.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while in the evening it was 73%. Forecast, light to moderate rain and thunder shower is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra reviews passing out parade of 51st batch basic course trainees at Nepal. Center to open forensic university in every state, says Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Kumar Mishra. Meghalaya Governor Fagu Chauhan visits Nartiang, pays visit to Garden of Monoliths. And Defence Ministry signs 3 contracts worth about 5,400 crore rupees to bolster defence capabilities. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.